How many calories do you burn doing household activities? There's a reason they call it housework. Here's how to burn serious calories during a cleaning session. Cleaning might not be the most exciting way to celebrate, but consider the upsides. Airing out the sheets and sweeping away the dust bunnies can help you manage seasonal allergies and keep germs at bay, not to mention burn a few extra calories. Of course, just because you mopped the floors today doesn't mean you can skip your workout, but if you've got cleaning on the agenda already, you might be surprised by how many calories you could burn. Check out the calorie counts for these common cleaning activities. 1. Mopping. Take care of those dusty, dirty floors with an hour of mopping and you'll shed 153 calories. 2. Washing floors. If your floors require a little extra elbow grease, you can shed as many as 187 calories in just 30 minutes. 3. Scrubbing the tub. It might not take you as long as those floors. In 15 minutes, you'll burn more than 90 calories, and you might feel it in those arms too. 4. Vacuuming. Depending on the size of your home, vacuuming could make a significant dent in your 10,000 recommended steps a day. In the process, you could burn 119 calories per 30 minutes. 5. Sweeping. A 30-minute dance with the broom will burn off 136 calories. 6. Washing the car. Skip the drive-through and scrub it by hand to burn 153 calories. 7. Cleaning windows. Get the grime off the inside and the outside and let the sun shine in. You'll burn 167 calories in 30 minutes. 8. Rearranging the closet. Moving around some lighter options can burn about 85 calories. 9. Redecorating. Painting your bedroom knock off 167 calories in 30 minutes of indoor remodeling. 10. Moving. Got any furniture to move? You're in luck. You could burn another 100 calories in just 15 minutes, and even more if you have to move anything up and down stairs.